L. What letters are they, Ryan? One. S. Good job. S.
T.
What letter is that?
T.
It's H. Silly.
L. L. L.
What? You're not even saying your letters right. What letter is that? Man, I'm done, Mama.
Q.
Q.
X.
X. X.
G.
That is a G. Very good.
V.
We found a 4.
V.
What's that?
V.
No, that's the 7. 7.
E.
Yep, we like E.
9.
9.
O. O.
You have 2 O's? I think one's a 0.
O. O.
Good job. What's that letter?
J.
J. You think you skipped one. What was this letter, Ryan?
D.
What is that letter? U, that's right. What else is in the box? F. You don't want to say those? What's that letter, Ryan?
V.
V, that's right. It is a V. Good job.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, are you running out of letters?
D.
Mm-hmm.
B.
Silly boy.
B.
What's that?
B.
B.
A 9.
Oh my goodness, a 9.
9. 9.
Are you silly? Is it stuck on your thumb? Okay, what about that last letter? Do you have one more letter in the box?
Y.
Bye! Yay, Ryan!
Y.
Mm-hmm.
Y.
It is a Y. It is a Y. Very good, Ryan. Are you going to put it in the box? Good job. What else you got?
G.
Yeah?
9.
9. Or
9.
9. It's also a 6 if we turn it upside down.
Q.
Q.
O.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The Q didn't get in the box.
O. V.
Yay, a 3.
V.
3. He's so silly.
V.
Remember that's the 7. 7.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, uh-oh, that's the hard one.
Uh-oh.
You gonna give it to Mommy? Put it in the box. I.
U. V.
V. Good job.
Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh. Oh.
What are you gonna do with that V?
V.
V. Okay. What else you got?
O.
W.
O. D.
T.
E.
Wait, what? That was J? What's that one? 1. Good job, Ryan.
Z.
Mm-hmm. That's a C. You saw an N. N. F. All done. Yay, Ryan. Oh, you're going to do them again? Is that an N? Can you say hooray? I'm working on my letters, Mama.